Today, I'm going to show you all the essential navigation shortcuts in Pixlr so you can move around your project faster, work more efficiently, and spend less time hunting through menus. If you edit photos or graphics in Pixlr, these shortcuts are going to make your workflow feel much smoother right away. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Let's jump in. First up, let's talk about zooming in. On Windows, press Ctrl and plus to zoom in. On Mac, use Command and plus. This lets you get closer to the details in your image, which is really helpful for precise edits, cleaning up small areas, or working on fine design elements. If you want to zoom back out, use Ctrl and minus on Windows or Command and minus on Mac. That pulls you back so you can see more of your canvas at once. Another super useful shortcut is fitting your canvas to the screen. To do that, press Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. This instantly resizes your view so the full image fits neatly inside your workspace. It's perfect when you've zoomed in too far and want to quickly reset your view without manually adjusting anything. If you want to view your image at actual size, press Ctrl and 1 on Windows or Command and 1 on Mac. This sets your canvas to 100% zoom, which is great when you want to check the real sharpness, clarity, and quality of your design. Now here's another handy trick. You can also zoom in and out using your mouse wheel. Just scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. This is a fast, natural way to adjust your view while staying in control of your editing. It's especially useful when you're making quick changes and don't want to keep reaching for the keyboard. If you need to move around the canvas in any direction, hold down the spacebar and drag your mouse. This lets you pan across your project without changing your zoom level. It's one of the most important navigation shortcuts in Pixlr because it helps you jump from one area to another instantly. And if you want to activate the zoom tool directly, simply press Z on your keyboard. That brings up the magnifying glass tool, which is useful when you want more manual control over your zooming. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl or Command plus to zoom in, Ctrl or Command minus to zoom out, Ctrl or Command 0 to fit the canvas to screen, Ctrl or Command 1 for 100% zoom, your mouse wheel to zoom in and out, spacebar plus drag to pan, and Z to select the zoom tool. These shortcuts might seem simple, but once you start using them regularly, they can save you a lot of time and make Pixlr much easier to navigate. If this video helped you learn something new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pixlr tutorials and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.